He's like, don't bug
Chewy.
me.
We should put some dirt there. Oh.
Oh, your thing is coming.
Can I try, Jordan? Can I try?
Jordan, you're so good.
He's so good.
Good job, Jordan.
We're so proud of you.
Jordan. Good job, Jordan.
Oh, look at you maneuver that thing. It's clean there now. You went over that spot 10 times already.
Okay, one more minute.
One more minute.
One more minute.
You have a minute to clean the living room.
Yeah. Good job.
Jordan,
You're really good. Look at him. He's so focused.
good job, Jordan.
Are you tired?
Is it heavy?
Can I try? Can I try?
Okay.
That's good now.
No more.
Watch him cry now.
Don't worry. When you grow up, you can do it all the time.
Did they turn it on?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No more. No more.
Broken.
No more.
Oh.
Okay, let's go now. You have to say goodnight to the
Yeah,
vacuum.
Good night.
Good night, bye-bye.
Say good night, vacuum.
Bedtime. Vacuum's tired.
Yeah.
Vacuum.
Oh.
Okay, press this now. Remember?
There, keep going. Keep pressing it.
Vacuum's tired. It's been a long day.
No, Jordan. Press the button. No, other one.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Good job.
Keep going.
Okay.
Say good night to
Say
the
good night.
vacuum.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Bye-bye now.
Good night, Jordan.
Hey, come on,
Okay.
Jordan.
Say
Go,
good
Mom.
night, vacuum. Say good night, vacuum.
Bye-bye.
You can't sleep with it. No hug?
Good night, Jordan.
That was
Good night,
hilarious.
He's like sweating.
Oh, he is sweating.
Oh,